Good morning guys, in front of me is Redmi A1 and let me show you how to activate and use camera timer. At first you have to open the camera app. And now, once you're in photo mode, tap on more icon. Here you will notice the timer option, so you can apply 3, 5 or 10 seconds delay. Let me pick 5 seconds delay. And now, as you can see, you can grab a picture with delay. Here you can observe the progress, the countdown actually, and also hear the sound connected with the countdown. Then whenever you want to deactivate your timer, just use this first switcher and now the picture will be grabbed right after you click. So that's it, that will be all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.